Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying your Play Store balance and signing into the correct Google account. Open the Play Store app, tap your profile, then Payments and Subscriptions. Once done, check Payment Methods and Google Play Balance. Make sure your device location and account country match the balance origin, because country mismatches block purchases. If you already see the balance, proceed to find an app, game, or subscription. Otherwise, update account settings before continuing. You're ready for the first purchase step. You pick the item you want and tap the price or subscribe button. When the payment sheet appears, review the order summary and available payment methods. If Google Play Balance is listed, select it. You'll see the balance applied first. If the balance is insufficient, choose an additional card or Google Pay method for the remainder. Make sure billing address and tax details are correct, then confirm the purchase. Once confirmed, you'll get a receipt and immediate access or download of the content. After purchase, check order history to verify the charge and content delivery. You should see the transaction and remaining balance. For subscriptions, go to Payments and Subscriptions to manage renewals and billing. Make sure Auto Renew uses desired payment sources. If something goes wrong, clear Play Store cache, confirm your account country matches the balance, and retry. If still blocked, contact Google Play Support with the order ID. One key tip: never use a VPN to change country during purchase. This commonly causes failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.